Have you seen the sheep go through a car wash?
Good morning.
Good morning.
You alright?
Yeah, good, thank you. Set up for the day. We have some sad news today. The sheep are going to the abattoir. We're waiting for Matt Ramsdale, who doesn't know that he's going to have to help me load up these sheep, so I can't wait to see his face. They're really timid, so you can just like two-step them. You can herd them in. Got to bring out the centre-back skills. And then politely collect them and put them in the car. Right. Morning, mate. I've heard that you're the best sheep herder around.
I mean,
so
that's what my mum will tell you. Yeah.
Before we get in the kitchen, just to spring this on you.
I mean, I did bring some wellies.
Did you actually?
Right, what's your tactic?
Tactic is, when we're feeding them, and then grab them. Peggy, you all right? You excited to watch this, mate?
What's your sheep catching experience?
Loads. We just catch them and shear them and then put them back.
Oi! Get out. Come on. They're down there. They shouldn't go that way because the pig's there.
Like a herding pig.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going to use Peggy.
Get it, Peggy. Oh, he's got one. Oh, we got two. Pretend like I caught it. Meet my new friend.
Yeah, pick up the little one. Well done, thanks for that. There's a shower now as well if you need it.
Yeah. Huh?
So how long have you been a sheep farmer for? Yeah, I'm still sweating, Matt.
That's right, you got your whoop now.
That's it, yeah. I think my whoop says I'm dead at the minute.
Is this the first time you've used this abattoir then?
It is.
Are these the first animals you've...
I've taken a slaughter, yeah.
How long is it going to take them to come back from the abattoir?
So I asked him to hang them for at least a week for me.
Are you getting them back whole?
Yeah. The ethos we're looking at is, we'll eat meat, yeah, fine, but I want to know where it's from, how it's been looked after, and if it's had one bad day in its life, then okay, so be it.
Yeah. How long have you had them? How old are they?
They were born a year ago, I believe.
Okay.
How long have you been doing your own thing now? Because you Northcote before.
I left Northcote, when did I leave? October.
Right, okay.
Basically doing private clients because I've got a couple of regular families that I go and cook for, a princess in London.
Amazing.
Things like Valentine's Day, Mother's Day,
Yeah.
Father's Day, things, you know, the special occasions.
Right, so this is Orewas. Brilliant
It's where?
Orewas, little village. Lovely Chinese down there.
Is the abattoir here as well, is it?
I believe it's behind,
Oh, God.
but I'm not sure. How you doing? Hi, I'm Liam. Nice to meet you.
Matt, nice to meet you.
Hello, mate.
How many is there?
Three, yeah. All right. Well, they're in safe hands now, so
Yeah, we'll sort that job out for you properly.
I'm looking forward to getting to show Matt around the shop, to be honest.
Yeah.
'cause
Yeah, go and have a look. Go in the fridge first and have a look in there.
Whoa, amazing.
Fucking hell.
Massive.
Have you decided what you're going to do with it, cuts-wise?
No, we'll take it off your hole if that's okay, and then I'll go through it with the lads in the kitchen, and I can't come here and not get something from you. So, what sausage we recommend? Because I need to feed Matt while he's cooking away. So,
I need some lunch.
Farmhouse one, that's just a bit of a herby
mix, yeah. Come on, then we'll take some farmhouse sausages. Yeah, okay, amazing. Told him. Taste test of Coates butcher sausages. Very good.
Delicious.
Thanks for helping me catch them.
You're welcome.
Busy tomorrow, full restaurant. You excited?
Very excited.
You've got some work to do, so
Yeah, leave me to it.
let's get cracking. So ready. We are doing another versus with the fabulous sheep herder that is Matt Ramsdale.
What score are we on? 2025 so far?
1-0.
To you. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Not going to last long.
No, yeah.
Famous last words.
Just all my family in there tonight.
Yeah.
Nice full room, nice chef's table. Very excited. We're off. We're off and running.
How does it feel to be here?
Yeah, good. Exciting. Makes a change from being in a regular kitchen and most of the time working on my own. So, salted some cod. Jordan says it's a fish. Jordan's on fish. He knows fish is. We wrapped it in some charred leeks and then we're going to butter poach that. Out the garden.
Whose garden?
Your garden.
Right, okay. They're mega, man. I don't know what I'm feeding them, but yes, please. Tell 4.
They're a bit like Tommy Banks from the side. Anyone ever told you that?
No.
Haven't they? So, look.
Hands, please. Emotional morning. Went to the abattoir this morning and I sat outside in the car, 7:30. I was very apprehensive, if I was honest, but I was so pleasantly surprised. What was good about it was they were giving us tips about how to look after the sheep, how to manage them better, and for me, first time doing this whole process, just amazing advice.
Professionals now, aren't we?
Yeah, I think so. Well, I think next time we need to have some
Fences?
fences, rails, we can just and a better plan. It's just running around.
This course out of the way. Yeah, don't look at the camera. I can see someone licking the bowl, so hopefully...
Too well.
Too well. Liam's not happy because he's going to lose.
They're quite nice for a main course.
Yeah, lovely.
Them,
Oh, they're both nice.
or them, quality quail on them, to be fair.
Yeah, we'll go then.
Very flat though.
Huh?
It's very flat, but how's
do
the
you mean?
sauce holding?
It's your sauce, so you tell me.
Obviously we'll sauce the table then. No. Stand by 3 duck.
That was a good blob, wasn't it?
How's it going? Have fun.
Yeah, loads of fun. It's a good laugh.
What's your dessert?
Passion fruit, chocolate, banana, thank you, and rum caramel.
Banana. Wonder why I bought those 5 kilos of bananas.
Yeah, I might have overshot that.
We'll send those back, shall we?
How many did you actually
Yeah, 1 kilo.
out of?
5 kilo.
Amazing.
Enjoy. Thank you very much. Cheers.
Well, you're not supposed to look down, it's just for the photo, isn't it? Check on, table 8, 2 covers. Thank you very much. You know, one of the best things I love about these verses
Go on.
is getting brilliant chefs like you coming in and cooking. No, I'm joking, mainly for beer. Cheers, mate.
No, thanks for having me.
Been a spit fun, mate.
It's been very fun.